Holding patterns don't make sense, radials feel confusing, and practicing in the air is not only expensive, but also stressful. The truth is, IFR flying is actually easier than it seems. You just need the right learning method to hone these skills. Have you ever tried an app with 5 IFR features? ADF and RMI instructor, VOR and ILS instructor, HSI instructor, IFR simulator, and holding pattern instructor. No more switching between apps. Everything is in one place to make learning easier for you. The app was built with real pilots and real flight experience, so you can practice situations that actually happen in the cockpit. You can't master IFR in 1 hour. The app guides you step by step and tests your new skills every time you make progress. We believe that learning is more effective if students can interact with the material. In the app, you can use the throttle and adjust the instruments while you practice. Start with the free ADF and RMI module and see how much easier IFR can become.